You think the 2026 Volvo V60 is just another clean Scandinavian wagon built for comfort and safety. But what if I told you this car is quietly redefining what modern luxury actually means? Because you're not just buying a practical daily driver, you're stepping into a system designed around subtle control, precision engineering, and long-term usability. At first glance, it feels minimal, almost simple, but that simplicity hides layers of intelligent design, from advanced driver assistance systems to a cabin that feels more like a calm digital space than a traditional car. Every detail is refined to reduce stress, yet behind that calm experience, there's a different reality. Modern tech integration means higher dependency on software updates, sensor reliability, and dealership-level diagnostics. This isn't an old-school wagon you can easily maintain yourself. It's a connected machine built for a new era where comfort and control come at a cost. Fuel efficiency is better than performance SUVs, but long-term ownership still includes premium maintenance parts, insurance, and system updates that add up over time. Yet despite all this, the V60 delivers something most cars have lost: a balanced driving experience where practicality meets understated luxury and smart balance. And smart buyers understand this isn't about showing off, it's about choosing a vehicle that quietly works for your lifestyle without screaming for attention. Because in the end, the real question isn't whether the 2026 Volvo V60 is worth buying, it's whether you truly understand the kind of ownership experience you're stepping into. And what I'm about to show you next might completely change how you look at modern luxury wagons.